guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Logitech mic monitoring not working. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now, if you have in this case, a Logitech headset and you're trying to use the mic monitoring feature here, well, in this case, there's a few things that you do to resolve if you encounter any issues. Well, the first thing you want to do here is you want to troubleshoot a few things. Like, for example, you want to check the actual physical state of your microphone or your headset. Now, in some cases, again, if you're using a headset, usually it has this specific region here that is the mic. So obviously it is the mic, but sometimes some models actually have the mic in a removable way. So meaning sometimes you can remove the mic itself. So what I would suggest you try doing here is you want to make sure that your mic is properly plugged in. Now, if it's not properly plugged in, this will actually cause some in this case, not for it to not work properly. So make sure it's properly plugged in. And also you want to make sure that, for example, if you're using a wireless headset here, you want to make sure that you have enough charge. Now, not having enough charge might hinder you using the other features, like for example, the mic monitoring feature. Now, if none of those work, the last thing that we can do here is to basically do a reinstallation of Logitech G Hub. Now, sometimes Logitech G Hub might actually malfunction, so reinstalling the hub itself can solve a lot of issues. So how do you do that? So first is we want to open up our computer here, and you want to visit a few settings. So in here, what we need to do is we need to go to the bottom left here, and you want to go and search for the following. It's going to be on install, and you want to open up add or remove programs. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to look for Logitech. You want to open it up. Let's go and click on uninstall and click on uninstall. Now it should prompt you to confirm further access, but once you've done that, it should pop up the uninstallation page for Logitech G Hub. Now, the thing that you need to do here is you want to make sure that you unclick the save my current settings. Now, the only downside here is this will no longer save your settings, but doing so would actually reset your Logitech G Hub, which in turn sometimes might be the cause. So your current settings might be the cause why you are not able to use mic monitoring on your, this case, Logitech mic. So go ahead and click on uninstall here, proceed with the uninstallation, and once you've done that, you can go and reinstall Logitech G Hub again and restart your PC, but from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.